Am I the asshole for insisting on attending my sister's wedding? I, female 32, have been dating John, male 37, for 2 years. He's a single father to 3 boys, aged 4, 6, and 9. I moved in with him and his kids a little while ago, and I do have to say that he's super protective of his kids. I wasn't able to meet them until later because he said that they might not like me. And so he started easing them into accepting me by encouraging me and pushing me to be extra friendly to them by buying them stuff and cooking for them daily. He's always super busy, so the boys started clinging onto me because they see me more than him at this point. Now don't get me wrong, I'm grateful for this outcome, but the issue is that I can't be away from them for a long time. After just a few hours, they're freaking out. Now that I moved in, I can't go anywhere without taking them with me. At this point, I barely have time for myself, but what's worse is that my work just got interrupted by all of that. John suggested that I work less hours, but it didn't happen. Now, my sister is getting married soon. It'll be held hours away, so I'll have to travel. The invitation specifically stated that it's child-free, so I can't take the kids. When John heard about this, he immediately told me to call and apologize because I won't be attending. I was stunned and I asked why. He went on about how much the kids adore me and how they'll go crazy when I'm hours away from them. Besides, he said that he's too busy to look after them. I told him that that's not my fault and he should either take the time off of work and stay with them or just get a babysitter. He threw a fit about how selfish and uncaring I was. Then he said that the only way that he would let me attend the wedding is if I tell my sister that I have to bring the kids with me. But I cannot ask such a thing of her. I insisted on going, but he kept saying that I shouldn't go. Then he went and told the boys that I was looking for an excuse to get some time away from them. And now they won't even speak to me. Oh my gosh, sorry to interrupt, but this man is pissing me off. Like, so many red flags. I feel bad for these kids. Ugh. Anyways, I confronted him about what he did, and he said that it's the result of me insisting on going to the wedding and choosing my sister over my stepkids. He even said that I should be thankful that the kids accept me for who I am, and that I should be grateful that they're giving me this much attention. I was speechless and felt so offended. So am I the asshole for standing my ground and wanting to go? She's my only sister and we have a great relationship, so not attending her wedding will cause issues. Oh, I feel bad for the kids, like I said, but honestly, she needs to get out. So many red flags. It sounds like he just wanted a babysitter. Never trust a man named John. Just kidding.